Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys this glowy makeup look. I love the way that this makeup look turned out. It looks so nice and healthy and radiant. And I didn't use a whole lot of foundation. I tried a different technique today. So if you would like to see how I get this look, first you have to subscribe. Before the video goes on, it's just gonna cut off if you don't subscribe. So, I mean, if you would like to see how to get this look, then just keep on watching. Hey guys, so I've been feeling really like I want to do a light makeup look. It seems like every time I wear full beats, full coverage, I'm hot. Like, it's hot here. It currently feels like 100 degrees, but it has been reaching like 107, 109 these past few weeks. But today I wanted to bring you guys something glowy, something that's really gonna hydrate, that's light coverage, just to show off the natural skin. This video is sponsored by GLAMGLOW. I'm first going to go in with a moisturizer, and I'm going to be using the GLAMGLOW Glowstarter. Now this is in the shade Sun Glow. So there are 3 shades of this. This is actually the darkest one, and it's not a coverage product. It's just going to give you an illuminating glow, and it really gives you that like instant glow. Just gonna take a little bit on my finger. Now this is a moisturizer, so you can use this in place of your regular moisturizer because it is like a intense hydrating product. You can also layer this if you have super dry skin, or if you just want to use this as a primer before your foundation. Okay, now I'm going to actually do something a little bit different. I usually add the foundation directly to my skin, but I'm actually going to pump it on the back of my hand this time. I know, different. It is the Koh Gen Do Aqua foundation, and you guys know this is one of my favorites. So I'm just gonna take that, and then with a sponge, I'm going to dab just a little bit of this foundation, kind of almost blending it into my skin on my hand. And then I'm gonna take it and just press it into areas that I want to cover. So I'm not going for a full coverage look today. I just want something very light. So typically when I do this kind of look, I don't focus on my cheek area. I focus on just the center of my face, because this is the area that you see first, kind of when you're looking directly at someone. And also, if it appears that you're not wearing foundation on this region, people tend to think you don't have on a lot of makeup. So it's a trick in that sense as well. And once I have the foundation just kind of where I want it, I'm going to kind of press and roll. And this is really just going to work the foundation into the skin. And also it'll pick up any excess product. So I do want to add a little bit of concealer underneath my eyes, because foundation is typically used to cover like a broad area on the skin very thinly. So you use like a thin layer of the foundation, and then you use concealer because it's more of a heavy duty product. You use that to conceal additional areas that you want to cover up. I usually do like a full coverage of foundation and then also add the concealer, but when you're going for more of a light glowy look and you want something that's gonna last in like the humidity and still look really nice without having like a super matte look. When I wear super matte foundations, it can look like I'm wearing foundation. Well, it does look like I'm wearing foundation, but when I go for a more glowy look where I'm wearing a light amount of foundation, it doesn't look as noticeable. So I'm now going to go into the Mercier Flawless Fusion Concealer in the shade 4N, and it kinda almost matches my skin tone. You can also, you don't have to stop there. You can also use it for other areas. So if you want to cover up something down here, if you have any blemishes, you can definitely go ahead and do that. So for powder, I'm going to go in with the CoverFX Perfect Setting Powder and just apply this to my under eye area, as well as directly next to my nose, because that area will get oily. Even with setting, we can still see that glow that we got from the moisturizer. It just looks really nice when you move around, looks really natural. So I'm now going to go in with a little bit of bronzer, because that's, I honestly think this is one of my favorite parts of makeup is bronzer. And I'm just gonna use this one that I've been using a lot lately, and that is the Mercier. There is an eyelash in my eye. So now I'm gonna go into the Mercier Matte Bronzing Powder in the shade Soleil 2. And I'm just gonna lightly warm up the face. I say lightly, I'm gonna try to do lightly, but I love bronzer. So you can even use this as your blush, which is what I'm gonna do today. Moving on to brows, I'm going to use the Anastasia Brow Wiz pencil in the shade Ebony. And I'm just gonna quickly fill in my brows. And then to clean up my brows, I'm going to use the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. I feel like my brows have been growing so fast here lately, or maybe they've always been growing fast, but I'm really paying attention now. I feel like I pluck a hair like every day. Like, where do you guys keep coming from? I don't understand. I'm really feeling this blank background. Let me know down in the comments, do y'all like this or do you like the plants in the background? Please let me know, because I really like this and I can do different colors like you see on other people's videos. And really, honestly, I could do a mixture, like sometimes doing the plants or sometimes doing something in the background and sometimes doing a plain background, but I really like this. I mean, this is nice, right? Let me know down in the comments what you think. None of my highlighters have benefits to them. They're all just like shimmer or eyeshadow or something. I'm sure that they didn't put in a bigger size that you can put on your cheek. But I see a lot of people that say I can't wear highlighters because they emphasize texture. I've actually given a few of my highlighters to my mom and she doesn't really like the way they look because she feel like that they emphasize, you know, she has more mature skin, which is absolutely nothing wrong with that, but sometimes highlighters just don't work. So I'm excited to show you guys this. This is the Glowpowder palette. This packaging alone is like, it's 3D, comes up. I mean, this is just so cute to just have on your vanity. So these are the 3 shades in here, and it comes with a mirror. This is going to smooth your skin, soften your skin, and even your skin tone. This is also really good if you are a makeup artist and you have pale clients as well as darker skin clients and then medium skin. I mean, it's perfect. And you can blend them all together to customize your perfect shade for your skin. So all you need to do is just take your highlighting brush. I'm going to use the Sigma F03 brush, and I'm going to actually go into this center shade and we're going to highlight. I mean, it's gonna give you that lit from within glow. Now, if this is too intense for you, you can definitely blend it in. I'm going to just go in with my sponge to kind of just blend those edges. Then I'm gonna do one more thing that's kind of like a pro tip, I guess. You can go in with this shade right here. And I know it may look scary, but you go in with this shade, same brush, and just on the highest point. And it's gonna make your cheekbones look even higher. So you're gonna look like you got some gorgeous cheekbones. And then lastly, before we move on to our eyeshadow, because I wanna get the face kind of set, I'm going to use the GLAMGLOW Glowsetter. And this is just a makeup setting spray, and it's really going to melt the powders that we used into the skin. Okay, really quickly for the eyes, I'm going to go into the shade Riff from the Born to Rhyme palette and apply this to the crease. And then on the lid, I'm going to use the NUDESTIX Matte Eye Color in the shade Chocolate. And then I'm also going to take this underneath and blend it out. These are so easy. I don't even have to look in the mirror. And then just right in the inner corner, I'm going to use this one, and this one is just in a shimmer shade. It's called Nudity. For mascara, I'm going to use the Flower Beauty Lash Warrior. For lips, I'm going to line them with Cork lip pencil from MAC. And then for lip color, I'm going to use another NUDESTIX product. Now this is a gel lip and cheek balm, and it's in the shade Tay Tay. I mean, so this is the completed makeup look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I think my skin looks so glowy and just healthy. and it's not like my face isn't super heavy, so I feel great about going outside in 100-degree weather. Let me know if you guys have tried any of the products that I talked about in this video. Make sure that you subscribe as well as watch my latest video, and I promise I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.